The future only goes in one direction, and that direction is full force forward. At the prestigious Concorso dell'Eleganza Villa d'Este on the shores of Lake Como, BMW Motorrad has just dropped a mechanical bomb on the motorcycle industry. This is the jaw-dropping, ultra-futuristic BMW Vision K18 concept. It is not a sensible commuter bike, and it is not built for comfort. It is a price-agnostic, unapologetic statement of raw power and elite design. The entire motorcycle is sculpted entirely around its massive powertrain. At the very heart of this beast sits an incredible 1,800cc inline six-cylinder engine. This is an aggressive enlargement of BMW standard six-cylinder touring architecture, designed to give more displacement, more punch, and a turbine-like running experience that feels completely endless. To celebrate the sheer scale of this motor, the design follows a strict rule of sixes. Look closely and you will spot 6 transparent air intake runners feeding the main airbox, 6 bright LED headlights staring down the road, and 6 beautiful, flame-sprayed exhaust tailpipes integrated seamlessly into the rear chassis. The aesthetics are deeply inspired by icons of aviation, specifically the sleek silhouette of supersonic aircraft like the Concorde jet. The bodywork features a spectacular downward gesture that mimics a supersonic fighter taking off from the runway. The construction is pure high-end craftsmanship, using hand-formed aluminum body panels. In fact, the sweeping side panels are completely seamless, measuring over 2 meters long as if cast from a single piece of premium metal. This bright aluminum structure is paired beautifully with dark forged carbon elements to create a sharp, high-contrast look. The exhaust header surfaces even feature a specialized heat haze effect to make the motorcycle look blindingly fast even when it is standing completely still. To achieve this extreme aero-like profile, the engineering team completely swapped the traditional packaging positions, tucking the massive airbox beneath the frame and flattening out the single-piece seat structure. The bike sits low and wide at the rear, wrapping its carbon panels tightly around a fat rear wheel. It also features highly advanced tech like active cooling headlights and an intelligent, hydraulically lowerable suspension system that drops the entire machine for a menacing stance. While BMW states that this specific Vision K18 is a one-off concept study, it clearly previews the radical new design language and massive engine upgrades destined for the next generation of luxury K-series motorcycles. It is bold, it is brutal, and it proves that when BMW stops being responsible, they build absolute masterpieces.